Well, Salt Lake City is working to remove lead-based paint in homes using a new grant. ABC4's Mackenzie Diaz has the latest on what's next for people living here in Salt Lake City.
Humans have known about the dangerous effects of lead for a very long time. Well, in Salt Lake City, a program targeting lead in paint is working to alleviate some of those hazardous effects.
When you've been poisoned by lead, it's a permanent brain damage.
This is Candace Breeze. She's using a detector to show how much lead is in this set of car keys.
It's showing at 1169. It tests to see if there is lead in the product. So not just on the surface, but in it.
Proving lead is in more places than we think. Kids under 6 are at more risk for developing lead poisoning, according to the Centers for Disease Control.
Putting up a baby gate, for example, you're drilling into that wall and there's going to be paint, which is going to release dust. And then those kids crawl around, they put all their hands in their mouth and all their toys that maybe have dust on it now in their mouth, and they have a faster and higher absorption rate than adults.
Breeze, health educator for the lead poisoning prevention program for the county health department, says to be poisoned by lead, it either has to enter through your nose or through your mouth.
It's a neurotoxin, so it's going to cause brain damage in that frontal lobe, which is going to impact behavioral health and developmental growth.
On top of that, Salt Lake City has been deemed as a high-risk area for lead-based paint in houses, according to Amanda Best, program manager in Housing Stability Division in Salt Lake City.
There's actually a lot of rentals that have families that are older than 1976, which is the lead hazard kind of cutoff time frame.
To address this issue, the city received a $4 million grant that will go towards testing lead-based paint. This new program for low-income families and families with kids 6 years and younger can apply. And if they do qualify for the grant,
we'll go out, we'll do a lead hazard test, and that's totally free. And then they'll figure out if they have lead hazards from there. And if they do, then we'll start with a remediation plan. And if they don't, then we are able to just provide them with that information and let them know that their house doesn't have any hazards.
Breeze urges everyone to get a blood test to make sure they don't have lead poisoning. She says, although damaging, it's not impossible to get help.
The biggest solution to this is getting it out of the environment. And then from there, we're going to approach it with a dietary, make sure you're getting that calcium, that iron, and the vitamin C to help absorption for those. And that way the body can naturally work it out. And then reading.
We'll have more information on where you can go to apply on this story at abc4.com. Reporting in West Jordan, Mackenzie Diaz, ABC4 News.
Mackenzie, thank you very much.